And this is what I use in the winter time. This is called heating heating pad. You need the heating pad just to control the temperature. Good morning, dragon fruit lover. Today we're gonna talk about how we can easiest way to root the dragon fruit. First of all, you need to choose the cutting, and it could be a stem cutting like this, or if not, you prepare it like this. And you need to know the variety you have. Like this is American Beauty. This is a good cutting. After you prepare it, you keep it like 2 or 3 days outside until they're dry. And when they are ready, you start rooting the cutting. The easiest way, just put it in dirt and stick it, and it's gonna be easy if the weather is hot. But if it's cold, now the winter start and at night it's cold, you need to use a different method. In winter, I put them in the water. The best things to use water. Yeah, first of all you use the cutting, you prepare the cutting, you write the name of the variety. You need to know what variety you're gonna plant. You see how they prepare that? And you need to let them outside in the shady area for 2 to 3 days. Using a heating pad, and you put the cutting in the water and the heating pad. And that heating pad, they're gonna control the temperature. Is gonna be between, I think, 70 to 80 all the time. Even at night when the temperature dropped down less than 60 or 50, still you control it. You just put a little bit of water and you just put them inside. This is the easiest way. Just put them in the water. This is in the winter. And you can still use this method in the summer. Yeah. But I don't want to double the work. In the summer, I just put them right in the soil and they're gonna have a root. Yeah. This is the soil. Just stick it like 1-2 inches, not too much, like this. And you can use bamboo stick. Then you can tie with this one. I'm using one hand, that's why. I just want to give you an idea about how you do it. The most important thing is to keep them in the shade area, not under the sun. If you put them under the sun, they're gonna start shooting branches before the root. But this one is already root. Yeah, you see here I put the umbrella and I put them under the umbrella. And all these already, they have root. See, Esmeralda have root. Desert King 16 have the root. All of them. Moroccan Red already, you can tell. Just move it around, you can tell all of them already rooted. Yeah, in the summer you are gonna have no problem because weather is nice. They need warm weather. But the problem in the winter time, especially at night, I don't know which area you live in, but here in Los Angeles we still have a nice weather in the morning, but at night it's still the weather getting cold now, and that's gonna be hard Yeah, that's why I use the water method. All these in less than 2 weeks, 3 weeks, if the weather is nice, they're gonna have a root without any problem. It's easy to do it in the summer, but in the winter you need to use, like I said, the water method. And here, if you have a big cutting, you can use, look, 5-gallon bucket without heating pad, without nothing. You see the root? It's so simple and easy because the weather is still nice and it's not cold. Yes. Yeah. All these cutting, I just put them in the water. And different variety, they have different time. Some of the variety take forever. You see the root? Some variety in less than a week, they're gonna have root. Not everything is same. Let's see this one. Oh, look, I just put it in the 5-gallon bucket. A little bit of water. Some of them, they have more root. This is Cosmic Charlie. You see? They have root here. But this is in when the weather is still nice. This is Palora, yellow Palora, you see? Ready to go, to plant. Just keep them in the bucket. In the shade area, shady area. Don't put them under the sun. Or you put them in the soil. They gonna be okay. This is Black Dragon. Yes, it's already have a root. It depends which area you have, but when they are in the shade, they're gonna be small. You're not gonna remove this one because you only need to focus. Just you need to have the cutting to have root. That's the most important things. Or when the weather, like I said, change, use this, the heating pad. You can find it in eBay, on Amazon. It helps, and they're gonna have root very fast. Yeah, just put them in the plastic or a glass, and you can just put them in the top, in the shade, not in the sun. And this is the easiest way to root the cutting. I hope you enjoy the video. If you need any question, you can leave a comment. I'm gonna answer you with everything you want. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.